Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sachin Bangale, working as an assistant professor, Department of Chemistry, JMA, College of Science, Tala. Now I am here to teach the comparative chemistry of group 17 elements. Regarding these topics, I will discussions about the valency cell electron pair repulsion theory. Now, contents of the today's discussion here: the firstly introduction, then valency cell electron pair theory, steps in the predictions of the geometry, then structures of hypochlorite, that is the ClO minus, then structures of chlorides, that is the ClO2 minus, and structures of chlorate ClO3 minus. Then firstly, we will discuss the basic introductions about the VSEPR theory. VSEPR theory was suggested by Sandwich and Powell in 1940. It was developed by Gillespie and Nehalon in 1957. Based on that is a polyatomic molecule. The directions bound around the central atom depends on the total number of bonding and non-bonding electron pairs in its valency cell. Then valence cell electron pair repulsion theory. Here, the steps involved in the predictions of the molecules using VSEPR theory. Here, the first steps it is the determinations of the shape of molecule, and here the write the Lewis structure on the molecule. Then to find out the number of bond pairs and lone pairs in valency cell of central atom, and while counting the number of bond pair treats multiple bonds as if they were a single bond. Then the shape of molecule and also the approximate uh, bond length can be predicted from the number and types of electron pairs in the valency central atoms as a tubulated form. It is the table molecule represented by the notations here used. The lone pair attracted on the one nucleus, but bond pairs is shared by two nuclei, and the minimum repulsions to the state, minimum energy and maximum stability of the molecule. And here these are the basic rules regarding for the VSEPR theory. Here the repulsion strain, the lone pairs greater than lone pair bond pair, and here the lone pair bond pair is greater than bond pair. That is very important. And the repulsion strength of VSEPR theory, the triple bond is greater than double bond is greater than single bond. And here the presence of lone pairs on the central atom causes slight distortions of the bond angle from ideal shape. The magnitude of repulsion between bond pairs of electrons depends on electronegativity difference between the central atoms and the other atom. And here the steps in the predictions of the geometry of the VSEPR theory. Firstly, it is a determine the central atom, then draw the electron dot structures and bar diagram, find the arrangements of electron pair, find arrangements of bonding pair, and lastly determine the geometry based on the bonding pairs. Here the structures of oxyacids of chlorine on the basis of valency cell electron pair repulsion theory. Properties hypochlorite, that is the molecular formula ClO minus. These are the properties hypochlorite. These are the molecular formula. Here the molecular weight of the hypochlorite 51.440 grams per mole. Then solubility. These are the soluble in water, conjugated acid, hypochlorous acid, and boiling points of the hypochlorites as they decompose at 40 degrees centigrade. And these are the properties of the hypochlorite. Then we will discuss the structures of the hypochlorite, that is the by according to the VSEPR theory. Here the electron dot structures of ClO minus, these are the electronic structures of the hypochlorite ion. Here these are the molecule of the Cl and these are the molecules of the oxygen, and here the valency electrons and electronic structures here. Then these structures obeys the octet rule. the Cl atom is linked with the oxygen atom by ClO sigma bonds and has 3 lone pairs on its 1 bond pairs and 1 bond pair is equal to 1 bond pair is equal to 3, and here the total the steric number of the structures are the 4 due to presence of 3 lone pairs and on Cl atom. The hypochlorite ion does not have tetrahedral geometry because it is has a linear shape. Here the ClO bound distance to 1.70 angstrom and ClO bound energy here 209 kilojoule per mole, and here the linear shape of ClO minus ion. Here these are the 3 lone pairs, and here ClO, these are the sigma bond, and here whole structures of the VSEPR theory according to the ClO minus the linear shape. The next molecule, that is the structures of chloride, and that is the ClO minus. Firstly, draw the electronic structures. See, these are the electronic structures of ClO2 minus. In this structure, here the ClO2 minus structure is observed that one oxygen atom is negatively charged, hence it is attracted to Cl atom by single ClO minus sigma covalent bonds, while other oxygen atoms which is a neutral bonded to Cl atom either by coordinate bond, and therefore there are 2 sigma bonds pairs and 2 lone pairs, and here the total number of these structures, that is the steric number 2 plus 2, that is the 4. And the structures of ClO minus is designated as AX2E2. The structural arrangement is tetrahedral, but due to the presence of 2 lone pairs and the shape of Cl2 minus ion get distorted and become angular. See the picture, the angular shape of ClO2 minus ion. Then next structure of ClO3 minus. Here in this structure there are 2 possible electron dot structures for ClO3 anion. Here these are the electronic structures of the ClO3 minus ions. In this structure, ClO minus structures on oxygen atom is negatively charged, hence linked with the chlorine by single sigma covalent bond, while in the rest of 2 oxygen atom is bonded to Cl atom either by coordinate bonds, and the Cl atom is surrounded by 3 sigma bond pairs and 1 lone pairs. The steric number of the ClO3 minus ion C is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. The structure designated is AX3X. The structure arrangement is expected as tetrahedral, but due to 1 pair bond pairs and 1 bond pair repulsion, the shape of ClO3 ions is not tetrahedral, but it changes to the trigonal bipyramidal. And here see the structures of ClO3 minus. Here the trigonal and bipyramidal shape of ClO3 molecule. Then structures of ClO minus. The electronic dot structures for the perchlorate ion, that is the molecular formula ClO4 minus. See the electronic structures of ClO4 minus ion. And here in this structure, the number of sigma bonds by which Cl atom is linked with oxygen atom is 4 bond pairs and 1 lone pairs of electrons on it, and hence the steric number 4 plus 0, that is the 4. And here the structures of ClO4 minus is designated as AX4, indicating geometry, that is the tetrahedral shape of ClO4 minus ion. All these are the structures, that is the by using the VSEPR theory to predicting the structure of the molecule. And here in this tetrahedral shapes of Cl4 minus ions are the tetrahedral. Thank you very much.